Are you ready to explore a game that seamlessly blends the excitement of creature collection with the relaxing atmosphere of farm life? Let's dive into Ooblets. Ooblets is a game that allows you to build your own farm, befriend townsfolk, and grow various crops. It's a mix of town life and farming with a unique twist. At the heart of Ooblets is its creature collection aspect, reminiscent of Pokémon. You can find, catch, and befriend these adorable creatures called Ooblets. The game also offers open-world exploration with clever puzzles to solve and intense combat where you can use your befriended Ooblets to fight off enemies. Ooblets is a perfect game for casual gamers looking for something relaxing yet engaging, offering both the excitement of creature battles and the satisfaction of farm management. As we await new releases like Pokémon, Scarlet and Violet in late 2022, Ooblets offers a fresh take on the critter-catching genre with its unique farming twist. In summary, Ooblets combines the best of both worlds, the joy of collecting creatures and the peacefulness of tending to your own farm in a vibrant world. What aspect of Ooblets most intrigued you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more game insights.